Olá! Nesse vídeo nós vamos continuar com o alfabeto em português. Vamos lá? Hello, Marcial here. And in this video, we'll continue with the alphabet. Let's go! The next group of letters is F, L, M, N, R, S. Letra F, letter F, F. We have Fá, Fé, Fi, Fó, Fu. Fá, faca, knife, faca. Fé, fé, faith, faith, fé. Fi, filho, filho. Son, son. Filho means son. Fó, foca, seal, foca. Fu, futebol, futebol, soccer or football. Próxima letra. Next letter is L. Letter L. 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 Lá, lé, li, ló, lu. Lá, lago, lago, lake, lake, lago. Lê ou lé. For example, leite, 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 milk. Li, linda, linda, pretty or beautiful, linda. Lo, loira, loira, blonde, loira. Lu, lugar, lugar, place, place, lugar. And the next one is letter M, M. In Portuguese, M, M. We have ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Ma, macaco, macaco, monkey, monkey, macaco. Me, ou me, we have these two sounds. Me, mesa, mesa, table, mesa. Mi, Milena, it's a name, Milena, Milena. Mo, morar, morar, to live, morar. Mu, música, music, música, música. Next one is letter N. Letter N, in Portuguese, N, letra N. Na, né, ni, nó, nu. Na, navio, navio, ship, navio. Ne, neve, snow, neve. Ni, aniversário, birthday, anniversary, aniversário, aniversário. No, noite, night, noite, noite, night. Nu, nuvem, cloud, nuvem, nuvem. The next letter is letter R, R in Portuguese, R, letra R. Ra, ré, ri, ró, ru. This is a little bit confused because, as you will see, we have some different sounds for this letter. First, ra, rato, mouse, mouse. Ré ou ré, ré ou ré. For example, rede, rede, net, rede. Ri, rio, rio, river, or rio, like Rio de Janeiro, Rio de Janeiro, rio, rio, river. ro, rosa, pink, rosa, rosa. Or we have the other sound ro, like as in arroz, arroz, ro, arroz, arroz. Rua, rua, street, street, rua. This is a little bit easy because when we have this like ha, this sound ha, ha, he, ri, ho, hu, it's kind of easy. But the problem is when you have the letter R in the middle of the word. For example, ouro, ouro, gold. We have this sound r, r, r. You have to shake your tongue. R, like ouro, ouro. Another example, arara, arara, Macau, Macau, arara, arara. If you master this word, arara, you're great in Portuguese, arara, because it's difficult for strangers. Arara, arara. I think this is the most difficult letter for you. And we have another sounds when we join some letters like a with o, and this is like but we'll see this in the other video, okay? Next letter is letter S. S, letra S. We have sa, se, si, so, su. Sa, sapo, sapo, frog, sapo. Se, sede, ou sé, we have this word. For example, Sé is the name of a church here, Sé, Catedral da Sé, Sé. Or sede, sede, thirst, thirsty, sede. Si, sino, sino, bell, sino. So, sorvete, sorvete, ice cream, ice cream. Another one is su, suco, juice, suco, suco. And sometimes the letter S have the Z sound, like as in casa, casa, za, casa. Or another example is in curioso, 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 zo, this Z sound, zo, curioso, okay? The next letter is letter J, letra J, J, Portuguese is J. We have já, jé, ji, jo, ju. Já, Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. G, jejum, fast. For example, period of time without eating, fast. When you fast, you may jejum in Portuguese. Jejum, jejum. Gi, jiboia is the name of a snake here. Jiboia. Jo, João, John in Portuguese. John, João, João. Ju, juiz, judge or referee in a soccer match. The referee in Portuguese is juiz, and judge as well. Judge or referee is juiz, juiz. Okay, the next letter is letter K. Letters, for example, letter K, letter W, and letter Y is not so common in Brazil. We don't have lots of words with these letters, but it's pronounced, for example, K is pronounced like K, letra K, letra K. Cart, for example, cart, cart. And W, 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 W. We have, for example, some names, Washington, Washington, or Osvaldo, Osvaldo. Sometimes it's with letter V and sometimes with W, Osvaldo. Y, we have this letter in names as well, like Rian, but it's not so common in Brazil. The next letter is letter H. Letter H. Letra H. Letra H. The letter H is not, it doesn't have a sound in Portuguese. For example, humano, humano. It's not pronounced. We don't say human. We don't have this sound for letter H. Humano. Hino. Okay, that's it. This is the last part of the alphabet, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. And see you in the next video, okay? See you, bye, ciao.